Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to the BSC network. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Once inside, navigate to the dApps browser, which is usually found at the bottom of the screen. From there, you will need to locate and select the Smart Chain network option to initiate the connection process. This ensures you are on the correct blockchain. Next, you'll need to access the network settings or the custom RPC section within the dApps browser. Here, you will input the specific Binance Smart Chain network details. This includes the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and block explorer URL. Double-check all the information for accuracy before proceeding. Finally, confirm the new network addition to save your changes and establish the connection. To confirm your connection, return to your main wallet screen. Check your wallet's network selection to ensure that Binance Smart Chain is now the active network. You should also verify that your BNB balance, if you have any, is visible and correctly displayed on the Smart Chain. Once these steps are complete, you can confidently interact with various decentralized applications and tokens on the BSC network. When using the BSC network, always double-check all transaction details before confirming to avoid errors. Be aware of gas fees, which are paid in BNB, so ensure you have a small amount available for transactions. Remember, security is paramount, so only connect to trusted decentralized applications. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.